Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one database faucet website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Litecoin every 5 minutes and 20 time claim per day. Just put your Litecoin wallet address. I changed it to soft media capture because the soft media capture is a little bit easier than recapture. Okay, just go to your wallet address, copy your Litecoin wallet address from here. This is your Litecoin wallet address, copy it and come here, paste it. Okay, paste your Litecoin wallet address, just type it this capture. Welcome to Earth. Okay, just type it. Just type it and you can just easily type this capture. Okay, ix is a 2v5. Okay, just click. This will be pay you instantly in your first play. You can see I received my first amount to my faucet pay. I just go to check it. Use a dashboard. You can see I received my first payment from this website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye.